Are you looking for the best microphone stands? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best microphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fifine T669 Microphone Kit. There's nothing more stressful to an aspiring streamer than completing their streaming setup. Having the right software and hardware is bad enough, but now the microphone? Thankfully, everything you need for capturing high-quality audio is packaged in the Fifine T669 microphone kit. Packaged inside is a T669 microphone featuring a windscreen, shock mount, and a pop filter to capture the cleanest audio for your streams. There's even a small knob on the side that really comes in handy for adjusting the volume on the fly. Dig a bit further into the Fifine T669 microphone kit and you'll find a well-constructed suspension arm featuring heavy-duty springs. Best of all, the microphone arm clamps to the edge of your desk, so not only is it ready in 2 minutes, there's no need for any unnecessary holes. Number 2. Tonor T30 Suspension Arm. If your desk just so happens to be big enough and thick enough to overshadow your house, finding a microphone stand to match is a pain. Sure, all that space could accommodate a desktop microphone stand, but soon enough the desk becomes far too cluttered. The Tonor T30 Suspension Arm solves that problem, and then some. The Tonor T30 Suspension Arm is an oversized, premium version of the Tonor T20, featuring a much longer reach. Its maximum vertical length reaches 940 mm, making it the ideal companion for very large desks. This is especially true given the fact that the clamp featured on the suspension arm also fits desks as thick as 2.4 inches. What the Tonor T30 suspension arm does best is being one tough piece of equipment. Thanks to strong steel and super tension springs, the load capacity on the suspension arm is fantastic. At max, the T30 easily handles 4.4 pounds, so if you typically use heavy microphones, the Tonor T30 is for you. Number 3. Luling Arts Microphone Arm. For those looking for a microphone stand that's a bit on the shorter end, the Luling Arts Microphone Arm is a worthy solution. It also takes out all the guesswork of figuring out everything you need to get your streaming setup running at 27.6 inches in length. The Luling Arts Microphone Arm is perfectly suited for shorter desks, and given that the clamp can reach as wide as 2.16 inches, it's a great option for thicker desks, too. More importantly, this microphone arm has a great range of adjustability at the base and the joins, along with 360 degrees of swivel. The Luling Arts microphone arm's durability cannot be overlooked, either. Not only does its strong steel build support microphones weighing up to 4.4 pounds, but it gives it some serious longevity. Number 4. InnoGear Adjustable Microphone Stand. Having a microphone stand placed directly in front of you can be rather distracting, not to mention the possibility of accidentally knocking it to the floor. You can avoid that altogether with the InnoGear Adjustable Microphone Stand. At first glance, the InnoGear Adjustable Microphone Stand looks as if it would topple easily, but that's not the case whatsoever. The counterweight is so strong, and the heavy-duty base so sturdy, the stand can easily handle microphones weighing as much as 4.4 pounds. Outside of being highly durable, the InnoGear Adjustable Microphone Stand features a bevy of welcome traits to make the streaming life easier. There are 2 clips for solid cable management, along with a clutch to adjust the height and length for the most comfortable positioning. Number 5. Samson MD5. Whether you're new to streaming or you're just concerned about budget, the highly durable Samson MD5 desktop microphone stand brings simple functionality without soaking up too much surface real estate. Thanks to a wide 6.25-inch weighted metal base, the Samson MD5 provides excellent stability. So long as you have a 5/8-inch threaded attachment, the microphone stand can handle a wide variety of light and heavy microphones. If you hate fiddling with tech, it's important to note that you don't need to make big sweeping adjustments to the Samson MD5. It merely sits in front of you, positioned perfectly to capture your voice in a discreet fashion,